I hope that you're keeping safe and well. This week's top 5 videos in no particular order. We've got number 1, MACH 2020 with all those machining innovations. An informal program that shows off the innovations and technologies that were going to be shown at MACH 2020 in April. New products from and highlights from companies such as Mazak, DMG Mori, NCMT, Akuma, Makino, XYZ, Hydrofeed, Star, Citizen, Microlock, and so many more. Enjoy this fast and furious intellectual program.
You've got the simple mechanism and you've got the simple 5296.
That's a good idea. So you need one plate for both devices?
You only need one plate for both devices.
In at number 2 is Vesta 1000 Rip and Steel Fast and Powerful VMC. We'll take a closer look at the Watch-On Vesta VMC available from Ward High Tech in the UK. One thing interesting about this machine is that it's dual speed tool changer, the daylight gap on the Z-axis and the swarf conveyor going out the back of the machine. Oh, and not to forget its amazing ability to rip through steel, hardened materials and aluminium thanks to its fast, powerful spindle motor.
I mean, in short, Ward High Tech would also like to say that they're here to support business and people, and they are the people to turn to for commercial funding in the time of crisis. I think it's a good blend, I would say, between a technical and commercial solution. So you've heard about the commercials there. I'm sure that's whet your appetite. Now let's get back to reviewing the machine.
Next we have you seen the new TT1300 SYYB from Doosan? A small footprint, 2 turrets, 2 spindles, lots of tools, lots of power and lots of flexibility. That's what the new Dosan WT1300. Paul takes a closer look at the detail of this machine for our global channel. Next up is new High Speed CNC Mill from 48k with options. Paul speaks with Andrew Armstrong from FANUC UK about the current promotion on their popular robo drill machines. Several models are available from stock with prices starting at just under £48,000. And finally, Starrag's one-hit DBF Utopia for oil and gas users. One-hit setup pedigree of Starrag's DBF Horizontal Machining Center is unquestionable. With multitasking DBF radical U-axis facing head, the machine is unrivaled with multi-face, including contour turning, slashing processing times on oil and gas sector valves and fluid ends. In one case, it went down from 20 hours to just 4.5 hours. It's an incredible story. Thank you so much for joining me this week. I'll see you next week for another Week in Review.